Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you read by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this braid style on my type 4 natural hair. So if you're interested, you see the thumbnail, you see the title. If you want to know how I did this, definitely keep on watching. But before we even get into the video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you are new, because I think that you're going to love it here. Like, seriously, I am a woman of faith. I talk about God, I talk about whatever's on my mind, and I also do my hair with you guys. If you want to know how I detangle my hair before wash day, check out my last video. Lastly, comment down below, let me know that you stopped by, and without further ado, let's just hop into this video. First things first, I'm going to be using Parting My Froze braiding gel. As you guys can see, I have a total of 3 parts. Your parts don't have to be even, just make sure that it's parted, okay? Next, I'm just moisturizing my hair. I have a separate video on my moisturizing routine. As you guys can see, I'm just making sure that my part is straight. Like I said, it don't gotta be neat and all that good stuff, because if you can see, it still can be parted evenly, but I don't feel like it. But next, I'm just putting some braiding gel on this section. As you guys seen, I parted my hair going to the side. Now I am braiding my hair, and I really don't know how to explain how to braid your hair. I think it's just super simple. Just make sure that you grab your hair as you go along the braid, if that make any sense. Just try to be tight and neat with it. So yeah, I'm just braiding my hair down. Next, I'm going to part my hair going straight back again, and then I'm going to braid a braid going back. Again, when you're braiding your hair, make sure that when you're braiding along your braid, make sure to grab small pieces. Make sure that you're braiding in 3 small sections, and just make sure that when you're grabbing those pieces, make sure that you're doing it tightly, just so the braid can look neat and tight. It definitely takes a lot of practice, so just be patient. Practice makes perfect, okay? You're not gonna learn how to braid your hair until you keep practicing. As you guys can see, my braid's not even perfect. But next, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna part my hair until L shape and then braid my hair along the L, if that make any sense. Like I said, once again, grab small pieces as you go along the braid, and make sure that when you're grabbing it, just make sure that you're doing it tightly, okay? And as you guys can see, I am not braiding all the way down. Once I reach the length of my hair, I'm just twisting up my hair instead of braiding it up. I'm just going to fill in the rest of that section with straight back braids. So I'm just going to have a total of 3 straight back braids in that section, and then 1 L braid. I don't really too much know the names of these braids. I feel like these are just regular braids. I ain't no hairstylist, okay? But anyways, like I said, we're going to have a total of 3 straight back braids in that section, 1 L braid, and then 1 side braid. So next, I'm just going to braid that piece into a tribal braid. I don't know if that's the correct name, but as you guys can see, I'm just putting my moisturizer, and then I'm just braiding along my hair as we go back. And honestly, y'all, when it comes to my braid styles, I honestly just be doing whatever comes to my mind. So as you can see with this piece, I tried to braid it going towards my forehead, but I did not like how it looked, so I just took that out. And I just decided to do my normal style, which is another L-shaped braid. Next, I'm just going to fill in that section with straight back braids. So as you guys can see, I'm just parting my hair going straight back. Make sure that your part is even. And then I'm going to apply my gel and then braid my hair going back. It's going to be a regular straight back braid. So I have a total of 2 straight back braids, and then I'm just going to wrap that up into a bench knot. Same thing for that 3rd straight back braid, but with that, I'm going to connect my L braid into a bench knot with the straight back braids. And then for the rest of the section, I'm just going to do a total of 4 side braids. How are you enjoying this video, this voiceover, and this music, you guys? I really love great music, so that's why I try to find good music for you to listen to while I'm doing my hair. But as you guys can see, I just finished this side. I hope I explained everything well, y'all. I finished this side. Now I'm going to do this side off camera. I'm actually going to record for my other social media platforms. Almost finished. It's currently 9:28. But yeah, just to give another close-up of the hair. I really love this braid gel by Pardon My Fro, y'all. I said this in my sponsorship video, but y'all, it doesn't flake up your hair at all, and it's also moisturizing as well. It's going to make your braids last for a while, y'all, like if you use it correctly and properly. So just when you're braiding your hair, but just make sure you try to braid tight, but not too tight where you're literally breaking off your edges, but like just try to get a strong grip of your braid. This is going to help for you to grip your braids, if that makes any sense. And so I definitely would recommend that you guys actually order this gel. They don't have their braid bundle in stores, but they have their braid bundle on their website, so I'll link it down below. This is going to last you for a while. I've been using this ever since they sent this to me, and this was in August, and we're almost in December, so it's gonna last you for a while. So I think it's definitely worth the price. I don't think it's expensive at all. But let me stop talking and let me finish my hair.
The next morning.
Okay, so it is the next day and morning, and I finished my hair yesterday off camera. This is how it looks after I slept. I have to just redo my bent knots just to make it stick up, so we're just gonna do that together. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to let me know. And how did I do on explaining this tutorial? Like, y'all, it's very hard for me to explain stuff, so I hope that I did a really great job. I hope that I didn't confuse you guys. This is how the hairstyle looks. You can wear a bent knot out, or you could just put it back into bent knots. I think both ways are super cute. I really love the curls. Like, this is too cute. This is basically what I like to do every 2 to 4 weeks. It feels very hard for you to follow. I'm so sorry. If you have any further questions, let me know and I'll try to type what I did and how exactly I did it. And but I just think that it's super simple. You don't have to be a great braider to complete this hairstyle. Like, I feel like this hairstyle is for beginners. I don't know, you let me know if it's for beginners or not. You can like just style this hairstyle in so many different ways. You can add hair accessories like gold jewels to this hairstyle. I currently don't have any more. If you want to add some spice to your hairstyles, definitely accessorize your hair. I do have another hairstyle video in where I utilize hair accessories with my real afro. You guys know that this is a half wig, but if you guys want to actually wear your real hair with this hairstyle, most definitely do. I just wear this half wig to protect my hair underneath and just to maximize growth, you know what I mean? And for my moisture routine, I'm gonna make a separate video on how I moisturize my hair, but my products are really simple. And if you watch my tangling video, you would know that I deep condition with Camilla Rose deep conditioner mask. I love Oh, it smells good. Yeah, they came out with a new line, a detangling line, and I can't wait till I get my hands on that line. Like, I love Camilla Rose, so I'm excited to try that line out whenever I have the funds to be able to purchase that line. But yeah, other than that, this is how it looks with the bantu knots in. I love the red lips, y'all. Like, I love the red lip. But yeah, this is the hairstyle. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, you want me to create more natural hair videos like this, definitely let me know. Because like I said, I do this every 2 to 4 weeks. And I say 2 to 4 weeks because when it hits the 2-week mark, I may or may not want to wash my hair. So I'll just continue to wear my braid styles until a full month. But if not, I'll go ahead and rewash my hair every 2 weeks, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'll definitely continue to create more of these videos as I continue to style and grow my natural hair. Having a natural hair routine and having a braid style routine, blah blah blah, having healthy hair, it definitely is time consuming, and you have to be very gentle with your hair. You have to just be very patient. If your hair is way much more shorter than this, I would definitely protect the style. When my hair is much more shorter, I always protect the styles with either locked or braids, and it definitely did help my hair to grow. But I don't want to continue to talk your behind off, so if you truly enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you are new. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't be shy, don't be afraid to let me know in the comment section. And also let me know, how did I do on my tutorial? Did I explain everything well? Was there some things that I missed? If so, let me know. But other than that, I love you and God loves you. Oh, but why I did that, I thought I had red lipstick in my teeth. But I love you, God loves you, and we're going to see you in our next video. Bye bye.